If you are somebody that is interested in writing grants, proposals, project applications, concept notes, then you may want to stick to the very end of this video, because today I'm going to take you through the process of how I develop and submit a concept note for a non-profit organization. Hello guys, my name is Delphine Konda, and if you're visiting this channel for the very first time, hi, welcome. On this channel I do talk a lot about study abroad, non-profit organizations, and generally how to build yourself as an individual and a professional. So I run a non-profit organization in Cameroon called Girls Excel, and I've been asked to submit a concept note, and I said, why not take my community on YouTube through the process of how I usually do it. So definitely by now I've already gone through the requirements of what the donor organization is looking for. I understand their vision, their mission, and the objectives of what they want to fund, and I'm trying to situate myself within that requirement to align my own objectives with their objectives, and definitely they do align, but I need to make them to see that. So the first thing I've done is I understand what they are looking for, and then I'm going to go into the writing mood now, because I only have 24 hours before I submit. Today I'm going to be making sure that my concept note is not going to be more than 4 pages, so it will be between 2 to 4 pages. Then secondly, I will ensure that I have a very captivating title that kind of tells the story of what the concept note is going to be about, what the project is going to be about. So if somebody looks at my title, they should be able to tell what my project will be about. Then I'm going to give a very short description of the problem, so a background information of what problem I want to address in line with the project that I'm proposing in this concept note. And equally important for me is going to be to show the donor why this is an important issue that needs to be addressed. Secondly, I will state the overall goal of the project, and then the third thing is going to be, after I've stated the overall goal, I'm going to divide this goal into objectives that I want to achieve under this overall goal. So there will be a problem statement, there will be a goal of the project, and then specific objectives of the project. So I'm going to break it down into smaller objectives of what we want to achieve in line with this project. Then I'll proceed to outline the different activities that will take place under the framework of the particular project that I'll be proposing in the concept note. I'll also identify the target group, target beneficiary, like who are the people that are going to benefit from it. So I'm not just going to say adolescent girls and young women, which is the primary target population that we usually work with at Girls Excel, but I'm going to be specific, like adolescent girls and young women of a particular group. Are they women, adolescent girls and young women living with disability? Are they adolescent girls and young women who are internally displaced and fleeing conflict areas? Are they adolescent girls and young women who have dropped out of school? Are they adolescent girls and women from a particular vulnerable group? I'm going to make sure that I specify. I'm also going to explain the outcome and the impact that the project is going to have on the lives of the targeted beneficiary group. So these adolescent girls and young women of a particular group that I'm going to be working with in this project, what is going to be the outcome, what is going to be the impact of the project on them. And I'm going to make sure, this is very important, because the specific objectives that I have listed, I'm going to make sure that each specific objective has an outcome that is going to have on the overall impact of the project. Most importantly, I'm going to state the time frame. What is the time frame of the project? When is it starting? When is it ending? What are the things that we are going to do throughout? If it's starting from January to December, what's going to happen from that January to December? I'm going to be very clear but brief. I'll also provide a budget summary. Here is not a time for me to break down the budget. I'll give a global summary of what we want to request to be able to achieve this project, and I'll state very briefly and clearly what this budget is going to help us to achieve, but I'm not going to go into the details, because with the concept note they just want to see it, and if they feel that it has value and it is worth it, they are now going to invite us to submit a detailed project proposal and budget. And finally, I will do a brief introduction of the organization and the team that is going to work on the project. Some people choose to do this at the level of the problem, and others choose to do it at the end, like I'm choosing right now. But I want to do it at the end, because for me what's important under the first thing is to state what the problem is, not necessarily the organization, because I think that there's a lot of information about us that you can find on our website and social media pages. So I want to focus on the project. not on the organization and the people, and so I choose to leave that at the end. So guys, that's it for the concept note that I'm going to be writing today. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to share other aspects of my work as a non-profit founder, share my journey with you, because I'm really eager to take you guys along with me. I typically share videos on study abroad. Of course, I'm going to still do that, but I also want to take you through my journey. As I finish school, I'm not a student at the moment, although I enjoy supporting prospective international students, but I am a non-profit founder. I work, I'm a professional, and I would like to take you through that journey, because I believe there are so many people who are either where I am or are aspiring to be where I am, and I would just like to share that journey. You never can know. My story, my experiences, my processes, my structure may inspire you or support you in one way or the other. Thank you for watching the video until this very moment. Until we meet again, guys, please do not forget to create impact.